In her last address on COVID-19, the Health Minister Jane Ruth Acheng noted that the pipeline vaccines expected are sufficient to vaccinate up to 13.5 million people. The minister urged the 4.8 million population to set up to vaccination by the end of December. Teachers on first Sinovac vaccine have to wait for the second jab till the 700 doses expected arrive. A number of teachers have been turning up seeking Sinovac vaccine. The Minister of Health spokesperson Emmanuel Ainebiona says Sinovac jabs will be availed Tuesday.
There has been a lot of concern with people worried about when they will get their second dose of the Sinovac vaccine. And the good news is that the consignment of 700,000 Sinovac doses are set to arrive tomorrow, 19th October. So all those waiting should wait patiently, given that we have a confirmation of the arrival of the 700,000 Sinovac vaccine from the government of China. And this is an additional to the 300,000 we received earlier this year.
Ainebiona has encouraged beneficiaries for the first dose to open up to other vaccines.
For now, let people take the available vaccines, which is the Pfizer vaccine in Kampala Metropolitan, the AstraZeneca vaccine for those due for the second dose, and also Moderna in the rest of the parts of Uganda.
Vaccination areas, City Square, Old Taxi Park, Nambole Stadium and Mayor's Garden in Entebbe were launched as additional sites. Public response has been positive. To date, government has received a total of 5,690,363 doses through donation and direct procurements, of which 2,378,171 doses have been utilized. Vaccination coverage of the priority group double jabbed stands at 34.2% for health workers, 19.4% security personnel, teachers at 14.9%, elderly 1.7%, and people with comorbidities at 1.8%. Shamim Natewa for CTV Pure Edition.